Hello, this is Nona's here. Now, I hear people saying all the time, "Oh, I'm not crafty. I'm not creative. I can't do any of that kind of stuff." Well, if that's you, then you have found the right place because I do fun, easy, and budget-friendly crafts. So please join me at Nona's Here for some easy, fun, and budget-friendly crafting. Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and today I am joining Tammy from Happiness Created and her co-host. I gotta put on my glasses because I want to make sure I get everyone named correctly. Theresa from Theresa B DIY and LaParsha from Creating It Myself, and her special co-host Leanie from Crafting Leanie. I'll be sure and list all their channels down below and the playlist for all the creators who are joining in today. The theme is, what month is it? And we all know it's February. First, I'll show you the t-shirt I made for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna get up slowly. And there is the t-shirt I made for Valentine's Day with the little hearts on the shoulder. Okay, I'm recuperating from back surgery, but I'm doing great. All right, so this is what month is it for February, and I'm going to show you how I redid my tier tray for February. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure and hit that subscribe button. It's free. And if you like my video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. In the meantime, I'd like to thank Tammy, Theresa, LaParsha, and Leanie for allowing me to join in today. Be sure and check out all the other creators who are showing you what month it is. What month is it? Okay, see you at my crafting table. This is a decor piece that I made almost a year ago, and I change it out with every season. It's simply 2 crates that I put together, and I painted it a neutral chalk paint white, and then dry brushed it with some gray, and I glued the word blessed on the front. And for February, I filled it with red and white roses and put some tinsel hearts in it. And every season I just change it out for whatever would be appropriate, and it goes on the entryway table. So for the tier tray for February, again, I'm going to use this gorgeous piece of decor that my brother-in-law and sister-in-law from California sent me a couple years ago for Christmas. And it folds up into a basket, but for this, I'm going to use it as my base of my 2-tiered tray. And it's just gorgeous. It's all carved. And then for the second tier, I'm just going to use this charger plate that I got at Dollar Tree. I didn't do anything to it, but I did glue on and paint a candlestick holder on the bottom. Now I have these 2 golden pears that I just love, and I'm going to use them and set them on top of 2 round mirrors that I also got at Dollar Tree. And then this is a rose Capodamani from Italy. There is the label, and I keep it locked up in my hutch, but I'm bringing it out for Valentine's Day because we all think of roses for Valentine's Day. That is the stamp on the bottom of the rose to show you that it is a true Capodamani. And I'm going to put that on the vase. Then I'm sorry, on the tier. Then I am also trying to arrange everything there. I am going to take this small silver frame, and I put some scrapbooking paper to cover the backing, and I've glued a shiny penny on it with Abe Lincoln's face showing out because February is Abe Lincoln's birthday. So that's going to go on to the tray. Very simple. I told you everything I do is fun, easy, and budget friendly. And of course, I'll take the penny off and use it. Okay, next I made this little heart Valentine picture frame a year ago. And that's a new picture of my granddaughter. She just turned a year old. It's a black and white picture. And I thought it would be kind of cute to use a black and white picture rather than always a colored picture. Then I'm going to take this frosted candy dish candle holder, and I'm going to stick on some Valentine stickers. They're all from the vases, the candle holder, and the stickers are from Dollar Tree. And there I have some candy kisses because we know February is the month for lovers, Valentine's Day, and I have some red and silver candy hearts covered in foil, and I will use them. And then, of course, I have a red candle to go inside the candle holder. And there I have a candlestick that I made probably 6 or 7 months ago, and that'll go on top of the tier with the candle holder. Now, it's supposed to be violets for the month of February. Well, good luck with finding violets. I couldn't find them anywhere. So I'm going to use these, so squint your eyes and pretend that they are violets. They're called Tweedia. Never heard of them. And I'm going to stick those flowers in this little green vase, and it matches the candlestick holder. So, what I meant to say is the little green vase to hold the fake violets matches the candlestick that holds up the second tier. So, this is the entryway decor that I filled with the red and white roses and the tinsel hearts. Now let's take a look at the tiered tray with the candle and the Abe Lincoln penny and the heart-shaped frame with the baby's picture and the fake violets. And then down below, it's hard for me to bend because my back hurts, but there is the Capodamani rose and the pears. You can see the red hearts are around the candle. There's some candy kisses and the pears. That's it. See? Fun, easy, and budget friendly. That's what Nona's Here is all about. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to check out the playlist of all the creators who joined in today. And thanks so much to our host and our special guest host. I appreciate you allowing me to participate in February's What Month Is It? Hope to see you all back at Nona's Here. Bye.